Jack Ma was born in 1964 in Hangzhou, China. His real name is Ma Yun. His family was not rich. He grew up during a time when China was poor and closed to the world. As a child, Jack loved to learn English. Every morning, he rode his bicycle for 40 minutes to a hotel where foreigners stayed. He offered them free tours of the city so he could practice speaking English. He did this for 9 years. Jack was not good at school, especially in math. He failed many exams in school. In fact, he failed the entrance exam to get into college, not once, but twice. On the third try, he finally passed and went to Hangzhou Normal University. He studied English and became a teacher after graduation. After college, Jack Ma applied for many jobs. He was rejected from more than 30 jobs. Even KFC did not hire him. Out of 24 people who applied to KFC, 23 were hired, but not Jack. He also tried to get into the police force. But they rejected him too. Jack did not give up. He started his first business, but it failed. Later, he visited the United States and saw the internet for the first time. He searched for beer online and saw American beer, but no Chinese beer. That gave him the idea to bring the internet to China. In 1995, Jack Ma started a company called China Pages. It was one of the first internet companies in China. But the business didn't succeed. Jack still believed in the power of the internet, though. So in 1999, he invited 17 of his friends to his apartment. He shared his new idea with them, to build a website for buying and selling things online. That idea became Alibaba. In the beginning, Alibaba didn't make money. Jack told his team not to worry about money but to focus on making a good service. Many people laughed at him and said he didn't understand business. Some investors rejected him, but Jack and his team kept working hard. They believed they could help small businesses grow. For the first few years, Alibaba struggled. They had no money, no profits, and no strong internet in China. But slowly, the company began to grow. Jack's leadership and strong belief helped the team stay focused. In 2003, Jack started another website called Taobao. It was like eBay, but for Chinese people. eBay tried to beat Taobao in China, but Jack made Taobao free to use. He believed that helping customers was more important than making fast money. Soon, Taobao became more popular than eBay in China. In 2005, Yahoo invested $1 billion in Alibaba. This helped the company grow very fast. Over the years, Alibaba became one of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world. In 2014, Alibaba had its first public stock offering, IPO. In the US, it was the biggest IPO in history at that time. Even after becoming rich and successful, Jack stayed humble. He said he was just a normal man who failed many times but never gave up. He believed in hard work, teamwork, and dreaming big. Jack often said, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." Jack Ma's story teaches us many things. It's okay to fail. Rejection is not the end. Keep learning and improving. Help others, and success will follow. Never give up on your dreams. Jack retired from Alibaba in 2019. He now focuses on education and helping young entrepreneurs. His life shows that even if you are not the best in school, and even if you face many failures, you can still achieve big things with courage, belief, and hard work.